Hey Vortex. So, there's something I was just thinking about. How it seems like everybody just repeats themselves, right? I mean, I do that too. I do these videos where I drive around, play piano, yell about stuff. It's usually the same stuff. Technology, women, degenerate behavior, you know. Typical stuff. Now, for those that don't really know me, and they watch maybe one video, two videos, I think the most that people can handle is like 3 videos. And they're like, alright, I'm done with this bitch. Well, I live a very, very unconventional life. Okay? I refuse to upgrade my phone. I still have a flip phone. I hate what's happened to our society. I hate what's happened to the internet. I mean, the internet used to be a decent place some of the time. But, you know, politics is downstream from culture. And the internet, I would say maybe technology is also downstream from culture. So, since technology is political, they use it for political purposes. They use it for religious purposes too. Well, since that's the case, you know, technology is just going to get more and more degenerate. It's going to be more and more encouraging of that degeneracy that it's already partially responsible for. So I guess I can understand why people think that, like, oh, we need a Christian AI. That's so sacrilegious. Like, that's you playing God. First of all, you can't make somebody Christian. And this is the problem with, like, religion in general, is that they try to force it on people. So if that person claims that they're whatever, it's only because they want to fit in, okay? Well, I don't want to fit in. I don't have to fit in. I mean, fitting in is for people that need validation. I don't need validation. I just look around me and everybody's staring at their phone, and I'm pretty validated. You know, I'm pretty right about my reluctance to do that. So, anyway, what was I saying? Say hi. Say hi, Marty. Isn't he the cutest dinosaur? He's the only dinosaur, because dinosaurs didn't exist, okay? We might do comedy tonight. We're not sure. But it's like Valentine's Day. I didn't even think about that. I'm hanging out with my friend Todd. But anyway, yeah, like, everything's so repetitive. But not in, like, a positive way at all. It'd be one thing if we were moving forward and the hashtags were a good thing for society, and, you know, we were making strides in the right direction, but that's not happening. Progress is all about destroying. But anyway, I don't have any additional things to do. I'm just standing here talking because I don't want to go inside. I have this habit of dilly-dallying, so much so that I dally-dilly. Get it? Get it? It's so funny! If you're not laughing, you're part of the problem. No, I'm definitely a silly Willy. Mainly because I take certain things very seriously, you know? Obviously, I'm a serious person, otherwise I still wouldn't have a flip phone, you know? Flip phone life is the best life. In this day and age, anyway. But yeah. These cycles keep coming back around. And the reason why they keep coming back around is because everybody's infantilized. Okay? And if you don't have awareness, you're going to repeat the behavior. Period. That's what's going to happen. That's just our nature. I mean, I do it too. You know, I do it too. So, that being said, I'm going to try to keep my shit fresh. It's going to be the freshest that it's ever been, okay? Even fresher than what you already expect. Okay, I'm going to shut up right now.